Hi, myself Jitin Ravindran would like to take the class on a topic General Characteristics of Coelomates. Phylum Phoronia is a small and less familiar group of transcendent worms like sessile and benthic coelomates, commonly called as horseshoe worms. They are tuberous inhabitants that are present on the continental shelf of the tropical and subtropical seas. Their body structure is cylindrical, worm-like and apodos that are body without appendages, with external bilateral symmetry and also internal asymmetry with the left side dominance. The mouth part is surrounded by a horseshoe-shaped and spirally coiled tentacular crown, which are called lopophore, which serve as an organ of feeding and gas exchange. The body has been divided into three parts, that is, namely epistome, mesosome, and metasome. Epistome is a small anterior dorsal part that overhangs the mouth and consists of a space called protocol, which is probably a bastosal derivative. Mesosome, which is the middle part that bears mouth, anus, nephrophores, and lopophore, and that contains a coelomic space called mesocele or lopophoral coelom. The coelom forms a ring around the base of lopophore and that sends a branch to tentacles, which the lopophore is a part of the mesosome. Mesometasome, which is a large posterior part that represents a tongue. It is a small and terminal part called an ampulla. Metasome consists of a coelomic space that is called metacele or trunk coelom. Metasome is used to anchor the body at the end of the tube. And the body wall it consists of six parts, which are namely from the outside cuticle, epidermis, basement, membrane, circular muscle, longitudinal muscle, and peritoneal lining. Consists of a U-shaped digestive tract with mouth and anus close to each other, and it has a closed type of blood vascular system with blood contractile blood vessel and a network of blood capillaries. Blood contains of two types, namely colorless corpuscles and hemoglobin containing colored corpuscles. And the respiratory system, which is absent, and the excretory organ are a pair of ciliated and funnel-shaped metanephridia that opens into the metacoil by one or two funnels. The excretory products that pass from the metacoil passes to two nephrophores, one on each side of the anus. And the nervous system is of two types, primitive and subepidural, and it consists of a circumesophageal nerve limb, which are and also specialized sense organs are absent. In most of them, sexual reproduction is in most forms and asexual in some. For example, Phronis and Phoronis samophilia. Sexual forms are hermaphrodites. External cross-fertilization is a rule. Phoronids are exclusively marine and tube-dwelling forms, most of them that lived in secreted chitinous tubes which are buried in the sand or attached to the rocks. A few of them born into calcareous rock or the molluscan shells. At present, Phoronids comprises two genera, Phoronis and Phoronapis, and 12 known species. And I would like to conclude my topic. Thank you.